I see you. Just hanging out with your lights on. What do you know? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. I know it's been a little bit since I made some videos, but of course, as you guys know, I do stay busy with my everyday job over at the old Brandon Honda. So it is a little difficult to make some videos as I used to, since I don't have the free time. But either ways, I appreciate you guys subscribing. We finally hit another milestone, so thank you guys so much for that. I know it's not major to some, but I did hit 1,500 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate all of you, and hopefully we can get to 2,000 and beyond as I keep making more and more videos for you guys. And I'm having a great time meeting a lot of people, so I gotta get some gas right now. I'm on my way to the gas station, so I'm gonna put this camera down because the light's gonna turn green and I gotta shift. Into the racetrack. Gotta get some E85. Got the little warning light on in there. It's got the one on my dash too, so let's park in the shade right here. There we go. What is on my windshield? Oh, do you guys see that? I don't know if you guys can see that crap all over my windshield if it's showing up on camera. Washed my car earlier. I think I may have oversprayed some of that wax I spray on my car. Didn't even realize it, but we got a rag right here. So I think maybe I'll clean it up. Alright, let's get some... Oh, maybe I should pop this first. What do you think? Get this open. Let's put that bad boy in there. Boop. Man, this price is up here. It's cheaper at that Thornton's. I should have went to the Thornton's. Right, let's fill it up. Now, let's see if we can grab this rag. Clean this windshield off. Oh yeah, look at all this. Crap all over the place, man. Yeah, detailing at the gas station, guys. Man, I sprayed. Look at this stuff is all over my paint too. Look at this. You guys see this? I didn't do a very good job wiping it off. It's kind of like a drying agent. There we go. Oh, that door is locked. Let's go around. Let's throw that in there. Well, she's nice and cleaned up though. What do you guys think? I don't really put any tire stuff on anymore. I almost think it's a waste because it only shines for like 5 a day. And I thought it was gonna rain. We got blue skies though, look at this. Florida hasn't rained. I washed my car. And miracle that it has not rained yet, so we'll see what happens. You know, the day is not over yet, so we might get some rain, but you never know. Florida, the tides could change in like 5 minutes. Well, it was pretty empty. 13.9 gallons. Let's tap that off. I know you guys are gonna make fun of me for those little noises. Do I want a receipt? Yes. We always want the receipt. It's called business write-offs, guys. Business write-offs. There we go. Got a receipt. Closed up the gas tank. Car's looking nice and clean. Shining. Oh, it's blurry. Start her up. Start your engines. Got a nice full tank. Don't got anywhere to go today. Just thought I'd wash my car, go for a nice little drive, enjoy the day while it's not raining on my day off. That's a bonus. But I do want to tell everybody I do appreciate you. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Hopefully you guys are sharing it. Appreciate all the comments, the likes and dislikes, of course. Letting me know what sucks on my channel and what doesn't. We got a long road ahead of us, so till the channel gets really big. So hopefully if I keep making content, you guys keep liking it and sharing it and watching it. I do appreciate everyone. I thought maybe I could give you guys a little bit of an update on the M3. Obviously we know we're running out of time here, guys. December's coming up pretty fast. I could get away with extending it. You know, BMW does let you get a couple months extension on your lease, so I could probably get about 2 more months out there, maybe go out into February if I can't make a decision or do something by December at lease end. So I do have a few vehicles in mind. Not sure yet to do. Of course, you know, the main option is to just keep this car. Comment below, guys. Let me know what you think. A lot of people think I should keep it and you know, just start doing some big mods on this car, do a little bit stronger build, maybe even go like single turbo or do the upgraded pure turbo stage 2s and do some little engine build stuff and kind of make it a more of a big power car. Obviously I'll have to change a lot, you know, I'll have to get fatter tires in the rear and do a lot of things if I do that, so it'll be a lot of expense on modding the car. And as you know, my channel is not that big to be doing any of that. But I have a few other options, and some of you guys might agree, might disagree. Again, you can roast me in the comments if you want. But one option is, of course, to go... now, I'd have to get this used. You know, to get one used would be a little easier. It'd be a little more affordable for me. I don't want to get a new one because obviously if I get a new one, I'm in the price realm of getting something else because they're pretty expensive new. But I was thinking about going V10, and no, I can't stay with the Huracan. It's out my price range, but more R8, but get the V10 of it. Yeah, I think I've mentioned it before, and it's a really good option, you know, because I love the V10 engine. It'll be my stepping stone into the supercar world. Let me know what you guys think. I've found a few of them. I'm not sure about the year. There's like some, I think maybe 12, 13, 14, somewhere around there. I think that's the pricing point maybe. Might have to look, but that'll probably be at the peak of what I want to spend. And then also, I could go a few years older, looking like a 2011. But not sure if I want to go that old. But my other option is, some of you might not like it, but I happen to like them, is definitely a new car. It'll be in my pricing point for sure, is the new C8. Now that car is very impressive. I have a guy that lives pretty local. I'm gonna meet up with him hopefully soon. He's got a YouTube channel too. He's got a white C8. He's done some videos. He's got a small channel right now, but he's growing pretty good. He's making some really good content as well. But it's called Rear Wheel Drive. I'll post it on the bottom there. And he brings to the drag strip a lot. And it looks like he has a good time, and seems like a pretty cool guy too. So we've kind of communicated a little bit. So we're gonna try to meet up and try to do some videos, and I'm going to check out the C8 to see if I really want one, because that car really does interest me. I you know, having a mid-engine car, mid-rear engine car like that would be really good, especially at that pricing point. And watching his videos, the car is really impressive. I mean, 0 to 60 under 3. I mean, I could never do that in this car, at least not with even with drag radials. I think I've gotten in the low 3s on the, maybe I don't know, mid 3s. I'm not even sure. I don't remember my draggy times, my 0 to 60. But, you know, those cars are real impressive. I mean, it runs like what my car runs in a quarter mile, and I definitely spent a lot of money to get it there. When I'm on street tires. And when I'm on drag radials, yeah, I do get into the 10s, but I don't drive around in drag radials. I drive around on regular street tires, so, you know, you know, in that car, that's just regular street tires, so, which is really impressive. And not only that, those cars are very affordable. I mean, you know, for as much as I pay for my car, that's a 3LT of that one with pretty much every option. So, you know, it's up in the air. You never know. I mean, once they start making them again, obviously those things are going for a lot of money. right now because they're not really producing that many. So a lot of people are selling them in the used market for well over 100 grand, 115 grand, 120 grand for some of them. That's just a bit steep. There's no way I would pay that. If I did one, it would probably be like an order. I'd probably just order a new one. There's some dealerships out there selling them right at MSRP, which is well worth the money. So I'd 100% get one at MSRP. You know, so let me know what you guys think about the C8. I know some of you are probably going to roast me down, you know, because I got my BMW, and going to American Muscle would be very, very different. But, you know, I guess maybe it's time for a change. I've had 3 M cars now, 2 M4s, this M3. I don't know, maybe it's time for a change. You guys let me know what you think. Comment below. Don't roast me too bad, but I'll try and see if I can, you know, my buyout's pretty good. You know, my buyout's not too bad on this car, so you never know. I could decide to just keep it because I do really love this car. You guys heard me say it before in previous videos. It's really hard to give this car up. It's also convenient. You know, I got my family, got my son. It's easy to get him in the back seat. If I go Corvette or R8, there's obviously no back seats in those cars. I will only have a 2-seater. So if I do that, I'll probably get another car that's just a cheap daily car that I could use. That way, at least I have a 4-door or at least a 4-seater of some sort. But I don't know. You guys comment below. Maybe my audience could steer me in a better direction, or give me better ideas. You know, I mean, those are the cars I have, you know, in the running. There isn't really much anything else that I think that I'm going to possibly look at. So you never know. We'll see what happens. I appreciate you guys watching, and thank you guys for everyone subscribing to help me grow and moving me forward. And we'll keep pushing, man. We'll keep pushing, working hard, making videos for you guys. I appreciate everyone that likes them, and I'm out.